Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. So today we are going to begin with our next topic, that is subject and verb agreement in grammar. So let us see what is stored for us today. Now students, usually we say that the verb agrees with the subject in number and person. Now here are the certain rules given. The rules about the subject and the verb. Two or more singular subjects connected by and usually take a verb in plural. Example, Hari and Ram are here because Hari and Ram, these are two singular subjects. A singular verb must be used with a singular subject and plural verb used with the plural subject. While this seems obvious, we all know that this rule, we have heard this rule, we apply also this rule. The construct escapes some students. Many singular verbs ends with the letter S, while the plural nouns ends in S as well as. For example, the cat dreams about chasing mice. The cats dream about chasing mice. If you look at these two examples, you see how they are. Cat single, dreams. Now cats is plural here, so the verb is singular, dream. If two singular noun refers to the same person or thing, the verb must be singular. For example, my friend and benefactor has come. Two singular nouns for my friend. Friend is noun, benefactor is also noun. So two singular noun refer to same person. Then the verb has to become singular. If two singular subjects express one idea, the verb may be in singular. For example, bread and butter is the only food. Bread, singular subject, and milk. Milk is also singular. Now these both are joined by the conjunction and. So here the verb is singular because it is expressing what? It is expressing a singular idea. Now another example, if the singular subjects are preceded by each or every, the verb is usually singular. Every boy and girl was ready. Now why singular? Because each and every is a singular. So but they are connected with and. So the verb will be singular was. Two or more singular subjects connected by or nor, neither, either, nor take a verb in a singular. No nook or corner was left unexplored. So here what it is? Whenever it is nor, neither, either, it will come into singular. Some nouns which are plural in form but singular in the meaning take singular verb. The news is true. Now see, the news, as we all know, it is plural form, but it takes a singular meaning. So the verb will be singular. So these are certain rules. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. These rules you have to keep in your mind. But what happens usually these rules while applying, what happens, certain common mistakes do arise or certain common errors do arise. Now what we have to do, we have to avoid such errors. Okay, so let's see what are those common errors. Now the common errors, singular subject must have singular verb. He writes, pronoun, he is a singular subject. Sheila writes, Sheila is also singular. So singular subject, singular verb. He writes, Sheila writes. Plural subject must have plural verb. Now you can call them, see, earlier we had dealt with the rules, but these are the common errors which occur. Now plural subject must have plural verb, but see, they write, we write. So the subject is plural, so the verb should be also plural. The third rule exceptions or the third error which usually occur, two verbs join and will always take a plural verb. Doctor and the nurse, they are the two different personalities, correct? Now work together, they take plural verb. Doctor and nurses work together. Again, two different personalities, two different subjects, but they're joined by and. The doctors and nurse work together. See, if one is plural, second is singular. But what it is? They are two different subjects. So they take the verb plural. Two singular subjects joined by or nor will take a singular verb. Now see, we had already studied the rules. Here also same is applied. Now wherever there is or nor, the verb will be singular. A doctor or a nurse is working in the hospital. Two different singular subjects joined by or joined by and, they take, what's the difference? Here if they are joined by and, they take plural verb. Here if they are joined by or, they take singular verb, because here they are two different identities, they are two different subjects. Now another, a singular subject and the plural subjects joined by or nor will take a singular or plural verb depending on which was the nearer to the verb. Now neither, see, as we said now earlier also, now neither Deepak nor his friends are joining the tour. Neither his friends nor Deepak is joining the tour. Now whenever there is neither or either, what happens? The verb closer to the subject, it will be framed in that manner. Here it is friends, so are. Here it is Deepak, so it will come is. Now another error which usually occurs, if the subject is singular and the predicate is plural, the verb must agree with its subjects and not its predicate. For example, physical conditioning and mental attitude are a winning combination. The subject is singular and predicate is plural. Physical conditioning and mental attitude are a winning combination. The winning combination is physical conditioning and mental attitude. Here, see, this is the subject, but the predicate is plural, so the verb is plural. Here, what happens? Here, the subject is singular, so the verb is also singular. Now the indefinite pronouns such as someone, somebody, each, nobody, anyone, anybody, one, no one, everyone, either, neither, etc. always take a singular verb. Each of my friends calls me once a month. Each, either, neither, nobody, anyone. Here the verb will be always singular. Now indefinite pronouns which indicates more than one, several, few, both, many, always take the plural verbs. For example, both of the books require careful reading. Several of the fielders regularly run 4 or 5 kilometers a day. So wherever there is example of several, few, both, they always take the plural verbs only. Now coming to the next one, collected nouns. fleet, army, committee, crowd, they are all singular when the group works together as a unit. Hence, it takes a singular verb. The jury has reached its verdict, or the jury has taken the final decision. The team runs in a smooth way. Here, the team, though it is a collective noun, but it is considered as a singular subject. So it takes verb in a singular manner. Now, again, the example of collective nouns, but here the collective nouns are plural when the members of the group are acting individually. Hence, they take plural verb. For example, the jury have argued for 5 hours. Here, the jury means what? It is not singular, but among them only they have fought, they have argued for 5 hours. So, here it will be plural verb. The team are putting on their uniform. Now, team here, it is not a singular, but the team members. So, it is are. That's a plural verb. Some words such as news, measles, mumps, etc., and which is ending with the s but represent a single thing. These words need the simple words or a singular verbs. The 7 o'clock news is about to begin. Now 7 o'clock, this is what news is. It is considered as a singular subject. Measles sometimes has rather serious side effects. Measles, though, see here it is considered as a singular subject, but though on the body we have many forms or many kinds of measles, but here it is considered as only a singular subject. So has. Now some words such as now we can call it scissors, trousers, spectacles, shorts. Now see, we here we never use short or spectacle or trouser. Give me a trouser, give me scissor. What we say? Give me a pair of scissors. Give me here's one trousers. She's wearing spectacles. He's wearing shorts. So here whichever ends with s. Now see, um, for example, these scissors are on the table because it is pair of scissors. His trousers are very costly. Though it has two parts, though there are two parts to a single thing, two parts to the single thing, so here it will become the plural verb. The scissors, because it has two parts, so are on the table. His trousers are very costly. Now words such as politics, ethics, athletics are singular and hence take a singular verbs. Mathematics is his favorite subject. Politics is itself a dirty game. Now if you look at these words, now though it has what got s, but here now see in max or in various subjects you have many branches of it, but here it is considered as a single subject. For example, in here in your algebra, you have geometry, but overall it is considered as a mathematics, so it is a singular subject, so it will have singular verb. But these words are singular when they, now see again they are talking about what, when they refer to a study, science or practice. If these words have modifiers, then becomes plural and hence take the plural verbs. For example, his politics are somewhat divided. His politics are somewhat divided because here it is included something. Now here if we find what, now here in this example given, so here we find in this example, the mathematics of the tax return are flawless. The school's athletics are all for both boys and girls. Now school athletics, subject is plural, so the verb is also plural. Now coming to the next one, title of the books needs singular verbs. Greater Expectations is a good book. Tom Jones is a book of fielding. It is the name of the book, so singular verb. Some nouns in a plural form represent an amount or fraction or an element of time. These nouns are considered singular and hence take a singular verb. 60 minutes is enough to finish the work. It is considered as a, though it is minutes, it is plural form, but we consider it as a singular subject, so singular verb. 3/4 of the land is barren. Subject is considered as a singular. If two subjects are joined together, so here we find if two subjects are joined together by as well as, the verb will act according to the first subject. Now students, plural, as well as the teacher are playing. So there is as well as, so the verb will be plural. Now he, as well as his brother. Now see, he is singular, singular because preceding as well as, it is a singular subject, so it will be, the verb will be also singular. I as well as he am going out of the station for a week. So before as well as I is there, so the verb will be singular. Now the subject, the other common error which usually occurs is the subject many a is always followed by a singular verb. Now many a man was drowned in a sea. Whenever the subject is many a, then the verb will be singular. If two subjects are joined together by with, the verb will act according to the subject. Now what do you mean by this? For example, the principal together with his students was seeing the final match. The principal, the subject is singular. Now it is together with, so the preposition is there with. His students was seeing, so whenever it is with, whenever there is preposition with, the verb will be singular. The students together with the principal. Now here, see, first of all, the subject singular, together with, we don't care it is singular or plural. Now here the subject is plural, together with, here the subject is singular, but here preceding with, it is plural, so the verb will be plural. Preceding with, the subject is singular, so the verb will be also singular. Now coming to the next one, if the subject is the number of, whenever there the subject is not the number of, you have to use a singular verb. The number of our books is very small. The number of boys in this team is 10. So whenever the subject is the number of, the verb will be is. Now if the subject begins with a number of, then we have to use plural verb. The number of, singular verb. A number of, now see, plural. The, singular. A, plural. A number of apples in the basket are rotten. So the, singular. A, plural. Now next one, if the two subjects express one idea, use a singular verb. Now the idea of bread and butter. Bread, now this is one subject, butter another subject, but the idea is relating to the same, that both are what? Both are wholesome food. But here I will not use are because it is relating to one idea, that both are, both is, bread and butter is wholesome food. Soup and water is too light. Now see, soup and salad is too light lunch. Now both are what, giving you same idea, so it will be considered as one, so the verb will be singular. When the adjectives such as much, less, little, and more are used in the nouns, they must have a singular verb. A little of good habits make our life happy. Less than a lakh of rupees is required. Now, whenever the adjectives like much, little, less, they are being used as a subject. At the time, what happened? We have the verb in a singular manner. So I hope you all have understood the common errors which usually occurs but which you have to avoid, keeping in mind the rules which we had stated earlier. So I hope you all have understood the concept of subject and verb very well. And if you like my educational video, kindly like it and subscribe it. Thank you children, and God bless you all.